Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. In today's episode, I'm talking about a really cool 1957 Pontiac Chieftain that you can buy. So stick around.
So we're at the movies, huh?
Yep, we're at the movies. So up for sale is a really cool 1957 Pontiac Chieftain, which is basically the same car as a 57 Chevy. It's just a little bit longer in wheelbase, but it's a really neat car. You don't see as many of them. It's black with a black and gray interior. It's got what we believe to be the original 347 Pontiac V8, backed up with the automatic transmission. But this is a really clean example of a 57 Pontiac. Everything that's important is all there. You know, all the hard trim is there. The body's in really good shape. Trunk floor is almost perfect. Even the spare tire well is really nice. The rockers are solid. The rear quarters are nice, fenders are nice. It may have been restored previously or freshened up just because it seems like everything works. You know, you open the door, dome light turns on, all the gauges seem to work. It goes and stops, goes through the gears like it should. So it seems like it had some work done to it over the years, but it's been preserved really well. It came from down south, and you don't see as many Pontiacs as you do 57 Chevys. So it's a really nice driver quality paint job on it. So the car does run and drive, basically just around a lot, or to load it on a trailer. It definitely needs looked at. It's been sitting for a couple of years, but it does run and drive. The only spots that has a little bit of rust is in the driver and passenger main floor in the front. Just needs a couple little patches there, which that's really no big deal. They reproduced those for 57 Chevys, so that's not that big of a deal. And the bottom of the driver door has a little bit of bubbling on it. But other than that, the car is really solid, it's really original, and it's a really, really neat car. I think that car would make a really, really nice driver, you know, to daily drive it, to do some mechanical work to it, put some good wheels and tires on it, and just cruise it around. Or if you wanted to restore it, go all out, you could. But I think it'd be really cool just to get the mechanicals working really, really good and just enjoy it as is, and you wouldn't be in it for that much money. And it's the same body style as a 57 Chevy for a fraction of the price. So I think it's a really cool car for the money. So if you're interested in the car, you can either leave a comment and then I'll get you in touch with him, or you can send me an email at midyearmitch@gmail.com and I'll put you in touch with him if you're interested in the car. But that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Every once in a while I'll try to do a video like this on a car that I think is really neat, just to show you guys, because I have a soft spot for 57 Pontiacs. So I wanted to do a little video on this car because I wanted to buy a 57 Pontiac post car a couple of years ago. So this is the closest I'll probably have to owning one, just making a video of my friends. So it's a pretty neat car. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot of work to do on the Misfit split, so be sure to check that out. And I'll catch you guys later.